Right, Ethan does growing mushrooms, day 21, morning spritz, looking at the camera, action.
And hello and welcome back to Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms. So we're going to be spritzing them. Maybe we will start picking one of them because it does look pretty grown, but we might do that later on in the day. So first of all, we have a quick look. Look at that beautiful mushroom. It's going to grow big and strong and yummy. I'll start spritzing first of all. There is some other mushrooms popping up just now, so I'll see you later on in the day for Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms. Goodbye! And hello and welcome back to Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms. Now we should start doing something before we start spritzing. Come on. So do you see that mushroom there? We're gonna harvest it. So gotta be careful, There we go. Look at that mushroom. Look at it so. See all that root? I think this mushroom will grow off another stalk, so yeah, should definitely clean that before we start doing anything else. So goodbye. Oh, before we say goodbye, we should get the end of this root off this mushroom. Alrighty, let's chop this thing apart. Perfect. I should have done a clean and chop. So goodbye for now for Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms. Day 21. Harvesting and spritzing a mushroom. Before I say proper goodbye, I shall show you how this mushroom is getting on. And put them together, see how big they are. So goodbye!